Did you know? A few years ago, there was a lake which was considered as world's fourth largest lake. Yes, this is Aral Sea. Now it almost disappeared and become a semi-arid region. In the near future, it may be wiped off the face of the earth. Today, we will discuss about this issue. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Payal and Shudipta. If you want to know about the mystery of this disappearance of this sea, then watch our video till end and share a lot so that more people can know about this issue. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon next to it to get notification first. Aral Sea is located in between Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan. The area of this saltwater lake was 68,000 kilometers square. Due to its huge diameter, it is known as sea. It began shrinking in the 1960s after the two rivers Amu Darya and Sar Darya that fed it were diverted by Soviet irrigation project. By 1997, it had declined to 10% of its original size. As a result, many fishes died, many animals disappeared. The livelihood of the fishermen living in this area had been ruined. As 90% of seawater evaporated, the remaining salt destroys the surrounding agricultural land. This excessive salt enters human body and makes them sick. Thus, the lake gone from our earth. But now, we are trying to bringing it back. We are spending hundreds of $millions just to bringing back this sea. European Union donated $5 million. Norway donated $1 million. United Arab Emirates donated more than $7 million. Some steps have now taken to restore this sea. Lots of trees are being planted in the seabed. They create protected forests that prevent sandstorms. They build hospitals to protect humans from adverse effects of climate change. The people of this region have greatly reduced their water use. Currently, drip farming method is being used for cultivation. As a result, 50% of water is saved. This technology is good for both farmers and planet. Slowly but surely, the rate of evaporation is less. We are able to bringing back water of the northern part of the Aral Sea. Maybe we cannot bringing back all the water in this lake, but we can try not to destroy this nature anymore. Disappearance of Aral Sea is the one of the dangerous man-made disaster. It shows the adverse consequences of the climate change. But if we really try, we can save our planet.